Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing some self-collected hosta seeds. I'm using this Leamington peat-free compost to sow them. I'm doing this just to check, make sure they're viable. Hopefully they are, and we'll have some lovely hosta flowers over the next few years. Hosta's a perennial. It's a hardy perennial here in the UK. When I sow these seeds now, till January, March, April, you can sow them till they want to be kept in overwinter somewhere frost free. You don't want them above 10 Celsius when you're trying to germinate them, because they do like it a bit cold. It helps with germination. Once they're germinated, you can turn the temperature up a little bit. Not a problem then. But yeah, I'm just breaking some of this compost up. I use these baskets just to store them in. It makes it a lot easier. So yeah, let's just get on with this, shall we? I shall just fill this up now. Just fill my tray up. I'll fill the back so we got this, folks. You can get that. All you need to do, fill the tray up with the pre-freeze stuff. You just want to make sure every time you put it in, just break it up as much as you can. And it's really fine particles, helps with drainage, gets plenty of air in there. Not going to get anything stagnant, because when you're using peat compost, as soon as you break it up, it's quite fluffy anyway. So this stuff has got wood in it, sticks, that sort of thing. Just want it nice and even all the way over. I'm going to split this tray in half. I'm going to have half hostas, and I'll think of the other one to sow in later. But yeah, once it's done like that, give it a tap down. That normally makes any big bits come to the surface, like so. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's a really nice, I'm really pleased with this compost. I'm hoping these hosta seeds are going to sow nicely in it. So that's that tapped down nicely. All I need to do then, let's take my hosta seeds. See in there. This plant was purchased a couple of seasons ago from, I think it was the pound shop in town. So as it says, it was a pound. Some people soak these, but I am just going to sow them straight on top, like so. I'm going to get them spread out as evenly as you can. You don't want to oversow. You can always sow some more later, especially this time of year. And then once that's done, you want to get some compost that you've already broken up and just rub it in between your hands, and that gives you a nice, really fine layer over the top of it, like so. Is that done? And then what I need to do then is just take it over to the water. Now, as you can see, I've taken it over to the water. What I do then is just give it a little tray of water, leave it there to soak, give it a little sprinkle like so, just to start damping it down, and I'll leave that for about half an hour, and then it can go under my, and once that's done, I shall put them under my lights here, and we'll see how they grow. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.